This video explains how to create, edit, and engage with notes and highlights in the RedShelf e-reader to get the most out of your study sessions. When reading your ebook for the first time, the most common tools to aid in studying and comprehension are highlighting and note-taking. Highlighting important concepts forces you to take a role as an active learner, keeps you focused on important sections of text, and allows you to quickly organize and review these sections in the future. Developing a simple system for organizing your highlights is both important and simple in the e-reader. To highlight text in your ebook, click and drag your cursor over the text you'd like to highlight. A highlight will appear, and in the pop-up box you can select a color to organize your highlights. It's important to be aware of the amount of text you're highlighting. A common pitfall for students is highlighting an excessive amount of text, so it's a best practice to only highlight the critical information on the page. The e-reader has the ability to easily organize and review notes, so the more detailed notes you take while reading, the more helpful they'll be in future study sessions. If you'd like to add a note to the highlighted text, select the note icon and type your text in the field that pops up and select Save. A colored icon will appear to the right showing that the note is saved. To edit a note, select the colored icon, edit the text, and then select Save. To edit or delete a highlight, select the highlighted text, and from the pop-up box, select a new color, or select Delete to remove the highlight and any notes attached. When you're ready to review your notes and highlights, often before a test or quiz, you're able to do so in two ways. For a quick reference, go to the main menu and select Notes and Highlights. Highlights are organized by section and include the highlight color and any notes added to the highlight. You can search for a term or phrase in your notes and highlights by typing in the search bar, and results will auto-populate. If you're having trouble understanding a note or highlight and need additional clarification, select the arrow icon to view the highlight and note in the text. For a more in-depth study session, go to the main menu and select Study Guide to review notes and highlights. This feature allows you to sort by section to only show notes relevant to the current study session and displays your notes and highlights in a larger screen. For additional videos, resources, and FAQs on the RedShelf e-reader, visit redshelf.zendesk.com.